Hi everyone, in this video we will learn about SQL Server Agent Jobs, steps and schedules. Till now we are using either GUI mode for taking backup or restoration. Either we are using T-SQL command to take backup. So this is like ad hoc backup. But now which we are creating a job is to run daily or a weekly or every 15 or 20 minutes, which we will be doing in real world scenarios. So if go to look, let's see this one, refresh it, it will be like this. Expand SQL Server Agent, expand jobs, there is no jobs. So now right click on new job. You need to give the job name. So what we will be giving, we are giving full backup underscore, wait, delete it, new job, full backup underscore job, and owner will be my users, but make sure this user have access to run the job. So to check that one, go to logins, my users, my users have full access. Yes, if the user is not having access, what you need to do, go to user mapping, go to MSDB and give operator role. So what this agent operator role will be doing, this have full access to all the jobs. Without giving sysadmin, you can give only SQL agent operator role for the particular user. It will able to run the job on as per schedule. So now my users have full access. That is fine. And go to steps. So job, we know that we have created job name, and owner, we found owner my users, and now we are going into a step. So under step, click new. Here you can give full backup step. So either you are running through command shell, PowerShell, or is this SSIS or SSIS or T-SQL. Now we are running through T-SQL. So and you need to give the command over here. This one is for if like you need to get a particular hard disk backup for particular what to say, you got request from application team like 3 months 4 months, you need to run hard disk backup every Friday, like that way na, you can give this method. See, BAK, comma, to pin, click and go to advanced, on success, job reporting success, on failure, quit the job reporting failure, and schedule. As this is full backup, click on new, just give schedule. You can give any name, schedule. And as this is full, you need to what to say, you need to run weekly. And if for particular 3 months 4 months na, like one time, you need to give this time one time, or whenever CPU becomes idle. Recurring means continuously, so weekly or daily or monthly. So here it is weekly on Sunday, and I'm giving at 11:10 9 p.m. Start from today. Click OK and click OK. The job will be created. Now to run the job, click start job at step and check job is running or failing. It is failed because what? The name existed. Incorrect syntax near with. Okay, go to properties, steps, edit. We are given and comma. Click OK. Now execute. This also will fail. See, this got successful. Same way, right click, new job, and you need to create for log differential. And for log in schedules, what you will be doing, you will be creating daily, and you need to choose occurs every 1 hour or 15 minutes, like that you need to give. Here you can change minutes, you can change to seconds, every 10 seconds, this one every 10 minutes, this one every 10 hours. This one every 1 hour it will schedule, starting from 12 to 23:59. This is the schedule. And for what to say, for differential, you need to choose occurs once at you need to choose weekly, and you need to unselect Sunday, Monday, except Sunday you need to choose every day. And you can give same 21, except Sunday all day by 9 p.m. differential work, and weekly on Sunday only on 9 p.m. full backup will run, and daily occurs every 10 minutes log backup will run. Like this you need to schedule it. This is how jobs, steps and schedules work. Thank you.